What the hell? We're done watching part A. I'm pretty sure you guys should watch part A first before side B. Did I say part A? Let's check out NewJeans Ditto official MV side B. What is there any difference? I'm guessing. Well, side A got me confused. Will side B solve the problems of me not being confused or being confused? I don't know, but I'm confused. Let's go.
Stay in the middle.
Whoa.
Like you a little. Don't want no riddle. 말해줘, say it back, go say it, Ditto. 아침이 너무 멀어서 say it, Ditto.
What the hell?
훌쩍 커버렸어. 함께한 기억처럼 널 보는 내 마음은 어느새 여름 지나가.
What?
기다렸지 all this time. Do you want somebody like I want somebody? 날 보고 웃었지만 do you
What is
think about
happening?
me now? Yeah, all the time, yeah.
Okay, so it's like we're seeing more of the boy.
I got no time to lose. 내 길었던 하루 난 보고 싶어. 라따따따 울린 심장.
What's up? To those who come through the live.
Nothing to lose. 널 좋아한다.
It's very low key though, the song, but still upbeat at the same time. I like it.
울린 심장.
Hey, the mind is a powerful thing though.
Stay in the middle, like you a little. Don't want no riddle. 말해줘, say it back, oh say it, Ditto. 아침은 너무 멀어서 say it, Ditto. I don't want to walk in this middle.
Aw.
아는 건 아니어도 바라던 대로. 말해줘, say it
Hey,
back, oh
they
say
getting
it,
in there. They might be imaginary, but they be getting in that vibe. That little hype boy.
항상 다 있던 처음 느낌 그대로 난 기다렸지 all this time. I got nothing to lose. 널 좋아한다고.
So this is all not real. All these footage is not real. Oh, where are we going? What happened? What? Oh, she's lonely, so she made these 5 girls in her head. Someone's calling though. Aww. Oh, the deer. No. Oh, wait, what? Homie's walking her home now? Wait, what? Who let a deer in the school? Is this some haunted shit? Oh shit, we're not done yet. We saw that the camera was broken though. Wait, but okay, she has... If this is not real, or if is a fragment of her imagination, oh. Aw. Hey, they're killing it. Hey. What?
빨리. 우리 오늘 뭐 연습해야 돼요? 진짜? 이거. 너무 괜찮은데 좀. 우리 연습도 하기 영화 좋아.
What?
우리 영화. 과자 먹자.
What is this JPEG right here? Okay. I'm kind of confused too. What is everybody else? Let me see. Apparently the girl is an actress. Oh yeah. She played in All of Us Are Dead. Yeah. This is some Life is Strange shit. Yeah. She's basically lonely. She likes the guy but has no friends to share the interest with. Deer probably caused the accident. She's the only one to survive and the guy is the only one to notice her being sad and sort of helped her move on at the end. Yeah, I see it. Like she is walking with the guy now at the end. Wow. Why did I say it like that? Wow. That was side B. That was maybe more confused. I guess obviously these are pre-releases, so obviously later on we'll have a title track and I guess it will connect everything together. I like these type of stuff too. Yeah, get on NewJeans. I would love to see more of NewJeans and what songs what new songs they have and what new songs they have later on. Because I've been like enjoying the vibe. Here's my Ditto theory at the end. A thread. Okay. The MV started with a grown woman Hisu playing an old video from the past with her friends NewJeans. Flashback when she was young. She always brings this camera around to places where she and her friends hang out and record all those moments if the members were still there. This is the shout out to breaking this down for us. Appreciate y'all. In between those recordings, she captures this guy and obviously she likes him but pretends to ignore him. The scene was both in side A and B with two different scenarios. Ah, yeah. The members were waiting for her decision if she wanted to go and use the umbrella alone or go with her friends and walk under the rain together. In side A, she chose the latter, but in side B, she leaves alone. Oh, that's true. Oh, thank you for doing this. Shout out to you. At the end, it was revealed that she was alone during the entire time and the members was just a part of her hallucination. So she is kind of hallucinating in a way. In a way. Everybody has a different opinion and like, you know. At the end of the MV, she sees the deer. I would like to take note that the girl was wearing a cast, so my theory is that they were in an accident, car accident maybe, that was caused by a deer and she was the only one who survived and her friends members did not. Inside B, she was slowly abandoning her camera, healing, and oh yeah, it seems like the camera is like no longer a thing. It seems like instead she just watches from afar until she decided to break the camera to move on, question mark, but still the accident haunts her, hence she still sees the deer. I see. This guy right here was probably the reason why she was able to move on because, oh, the call too, right? As shown in these scenes, he was always the one who notices her, aw, and checks up on her whenever she's lonely or crying. Oh, hope he's a good guy. Why am I like getting invested in this? In the end, I think grown Hisu, I don't know if I'm pronouncing her name wrong or not. Please do correct me. Was able to move on from the death of her friends, as she now able to go back and rewatch these memories with a smile on her face. End of thread. Okay, joking. I wasn't done yet. I think I recently found this out that the phone ringing Minji. I think among the girls, she was close to Minji. They have a special bond. Oh, and she was always the one picking her up from sadness. But no. But she has no one now since she's gone. Okay. Also, I think her, Minji, and Heren have some kind of connection. They were both singing with a cat. They all call Heren Kitty Kang. And oh, that's true. And also the part where Minji draw the girl that looked like Heren while looking at the camera, like she knows something others don't know. The deer might be a symbolism of self-awareness. Whenever she encounters a deer, it could mean she's unconsciously healing from the trauma. Inside B, Envy, the deer was seen walking away, so maybe it's the sign that she's moving on. That confirms that my accident theory, since the messages of the girls have been written, was kind of reflecting a survivor's guilt. Like she felt she should have died, but with them, but the girls insisted she should get some. Oh, wow, damn. I don't know what to say after that. That's a lot to take in. God damn. Thanks for watching. I think I have to go think it more. about this. I probably watched this. I'm probably gonna watch this again.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.